guys, it's Raluca and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm literally screaming right now. Okay, so my new LPS package just arrived today. Okay, let's unbox it. So this LPS comes from Judy Loves LPS, and I'll link her Instagram in the description below. Okay guys, so let's unbox this LPS. Okay, let's unbox. Let's just unbox this. Okay, let's just cut this open. So excited. By the way, I'll put a picture on the screen. By the way, you guys, I'll put a picture on the screen of her. Okay, so it's the LPS tattooed shorthair cat. Okay, you guys, so let's just get her out of the package. Oh my dog, you guys, she's so adorable. I'm screaming. Okay, here we go, guys. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Here she comes. Ooh. Okay, so here we go. Oh my dog, she's so adorable. And she will definitely be in my LPS series, LPS Darkest Secrets. I'm still so excited to have her in my collection. And by the way, you guys, this is a LPS custom that you can only get from Judy Loves LPS. So adorable. I still cannot believe she's so adorable. So this is the LPS tattooed shorthair cat. LPS custom by Judy Loves LPS. And I also love the glitter in her eyes. And I'll be sure using her in my new LPS TIK TOks. So, yeah. So adorable. So cute and adorable. I still cannot believe I have her in my collection. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more like this, please subscribe. Okay, you guys, until next time, peace out.